What is up, everybody? This is Hunt Modding here, back at you with an FS19 modding tutorial. Today, what we're going to be doing is, we have our Expendables Ford F-250 Super Duty here, and if you guys remember from last night, we actually, let me go in here real quick in the save folder, we actually put this Bradford bed on it. I showed you guys how to put the Bradford bed on it without having to do any coding or anything like that. So tonight, what I'm going to show you is how to add lights, how to add the lights onto your bed, how to get them coded in the easiest way that I've found to get them coded in, and that's what we're going to do tonight. So we're going to get right into this video. First thing you want to do is not open your mod in your save folder. Never open your mod in here, ever, because then it's a pain in the butt to save. You do not want to do that. You're going to open Giants Editor. You're going to go File. You're going to go Open Mod. You're going to find your zipped folder. I always bring it on my desktop. You're going to open it. You're going to overwrite. Open it up. It's going to unpack. Press OK. So now you've got your truck the right way, right here. So we got our bed. We got everything we want. Only issue here is we do not have lights. So what we're going to do is, first step, you're going to find where you put your bed. Okay, I put mine down here. So now what I'm going to do is, I actually have to delete those. Those should not be there. I don't need those. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our Bradford bed, where you're first going to create a transform group. So you're going to go up here to create, click transform group, and it's going to come down here. Now you're going to want to rename your transform group. Over here in the attributes, you're going to want to name this bed lights. Okay, you're going to name it bed lights. Now you're going to click Control X. You're going to take it up here to Bradford bed, or whatever your bed is, and click Control V. What that's going to do is it's going to put it into your bed. Now the reason you do that is because if you ever want to use this bed again and you want the lights to stay on it, you want to do that, because then you can export the bed and the lights will be there. As if, last way, as you can see, there aren't any more lights because they didn't do it like that. Personal preference, really. So that's just how I like to do it. Now you're going to create, let's see, so you're going to have backup, reverse, and turn, and running. So you're going to create 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to name one of them running lights, or I just name them running. Okay, you're going to name one of them reverse. Okay, you're going to name one of them brakes. And you're going to name one of them turns. Okay, now that you have all those, you're going to want to click up here, press shift and click down here so you can have them all. Control X and put them in your bed lights. Now you have all of those. Now you got your running, reverse, brakes, and turns. Now what you're going to do is you're going to import your lights. Now here's where it gets a little tricky, because you have to find your lights first. So your lights are going to be wherever you have it downloaded. So mine is going to be this PC, Windows C, Program Files 86. Now there's two different ways. If it's on Steam, you're going to go down here to Steam folder. You're going to go to Steam apps, I think. Nope. Trying to remember how they did this. That's not it. Alright, I don't remember how to do it for Steam. I don't know. I'm sure there's a video out there for it. But if you have a disk like me and it's downloaded into here, you're going to go to Farming Simulator 2019. You're going to go to 64, x64. No, you're not. My bad. Sorry, guys. I don't know what I'm thinking tonight. You're going to go to Data. Now you're going to go to Shared, and you're going to go to Assets. Now, once you're in Assets, you're going to go to Lights. Now there's going to be Hello Lights or Lizard. You're going to go to Lizard Lights, and I like to click this because I can see all the lights right here that I want. They're all right here in this perfect little thing. Now you can do your LED lights, which are these ones, or you can do like old school lights, which are these ones. Now I'm going to use these ones just because I don't normally use them, and I always use these, and everybody always uses those, so we're going to use these ones. So what you do is you're going to come in here, you're going to find the name, like the turn signal is going to be rear light oval orange dash 01. So you're going to go in here, you're going to click File, you're going to click Import. Now you're going to go to this PC, Windows C, you're going to go to Files, Farming Simulator 19, Data, Shared, Assets, Lights, Lizard. Now you're going to go to Rear Oval Orange. Let's see what did I say that was. Rear Oval Orange 01. So it's right here. So now if you look here, let me pull it out here out of the way. We have our light. We have a orange light just sitting here waiting to be used. Now don't worry about the dirt on it. That's going to go away in game. That is just the dirt script. So now you're going to take your orange one and you're going to control X. You're going to put it in turns. So you're going to put control V, and now it's in the turn signals. Now once it's in the turn signals, however many turn signals you want, you duplicate that to that amount. So I want 2. So I click control D. Okay. Now that you got that, you're going to click this one. You're going to move one of them. Now, actually, here's the tip. Delete that. Get one of them set where you want it. Once you have the one set, what in the world? Okay, sorry guys. Once you have one of them set where you want it, so we're going to put ours right over here on the corner of this truck bed. We're just going to put it right in there. Somewhere in there. Alright, so then if you have problems, you can come in here and you can move it like this. So once you get it set where you want it, alright, once you get it set where you want it, which I want mine right about there somewhere. I'm not going to make them perfect just because I don't really, not really going to use this mod a lot. You're going to put it on there and you're going to click Control D. Now that duplicated your light. So now you go over here to the Translate X and you put a minus right in front of your number, or dash right in front of your number. Minus, okay. So once you do that, you're going to go down here to Translate Y. No. Go to Rotate. You're going to go back this one. No, you're not. Hang on, guys. Usually this works. I don't understand why it's not. Okay, I don't really know what's up with that. But normally you can just go and do the numbers. and move it like that. So now you got your turn lights. They're in the same place, they're the same height, which is what you want. So now we're going to go import, let's see, rear light circle red LED 01. Or red, oh no, we don't want LED. Import rear light oval red 01. Rear light oval red . Alright, now we got that in here. Now you're going to pull it back here and basically do the same thing. Okay, you're going to put it wherever you want it. It does not matter where you put the lights. Wherever you want to light is where it's going to go. Just for speed reasons, I'm just going to put it right here for now. I can always adjust it later. Okay, so there's your brake lights. Say that's where you wanted it. Okay, Control D. Come up here and hit the minus button, and you've got the lights there. Now you've got your turn signals and your brake lights. So now really all you need is your reverse lights, because the running lights, okay, I'll bring one running light in and put it in the hole just to show you guys. But now all we need to bring in is our reverse lights. So you're going to go here, you're going to go to, hang on, you're going to put this in brakes. Hang on guys, I might have screwed up. I mean, it didn't necessarily screw up, I forgot a piece. So you're going to want to make sure you put that into whatever you're putting it in. Make sure you set it wherever you want it, whatever. Go ahead and delete this one. Control D. Dash that so it sets where it's supposed to. Okay. So now it's in brakes. Now it's really all you got to do there. Now whenever, I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay, so you got your brakes and you got your turns. Now we just need reverse. So you're going to import rear light oval white 01. Now just for the fun of it, we're going to just slap it on there somewhere like that. Alright, now you're going to Control X, Control V, put this bad boy right where you want it at. I'm just going to set it right here for now. Like I said, it does not matter wherever you want the light, that's where it goes. Control D and back. Alright, so that's my light setup, guys. I know it's not really the perfect thing in the world, but it's good enough to show you guys what we're doing. So now what you're going to do is, you got your turns, brakes, reverse. Now you need running lights. You're going to import, let's see, what do we want to import, guys? Somewhere. Rear light circle red 02. That's what you want to import. So you're going to go down here. You're going to find rear light circle red 02 right there. Now you're going to move it out this way some. And you're going to minus 90. Alright, so now that we got that turned around, I'm going to Control D, nope, delete that. You're going to Control X, that one. Control X, put it in running. You click Control V. Now you're going to set this wherever you want it at. I guess since they give me such a fancy hole up here, I'll put it in the hole. Slide it right up there. Alright, so then you put that wherever you want it. It does not matter. Wherever you guys want the light is where you guys can put the light. It does not matter. So now we got one other thing. We got a running light, we got our reverse lights, we got our brake lights, we got our turn lights. Now, here's what you do. You go up here and you click Save. Now that it's saved, you're going to minimize this. Do not X out. You're going to be coming back. You can't X out of that. You can X out of this. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your saved folder right here. The one I always tell you guys, do not open your mod in. You're going to click it. You're going to go to your XML document. You're going to right click and you're going to edit with Notepad++ or edit with Notepad, whichever one you have. So once you go into it, you're going to into your thing, you're going to click Control F and you're going to search lights. Alright. Now this one is an I3d Mapping mod, which means that we're going to have to be down here and do I3d Mapping per light, which isn't difficult. It just takes some getting used to, but it's not impossible. So, we're at brake lights. What I do is, I go right here and I'll copy one, click copy. I'll go down two, and I'll click paste. Alright, so now I got my brake lights right there. Now you can name them. If it's an I3D, you change this name. So I'm going to do left brake. Left brake bed. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to put right. Right brake bed. Okay, so now I got my left brake bed, my right brake bed right here. So now what you're going to do is okay, so now you're going to do reverse lights. Sorry guys, I'm kind of all over the place. Now you're going to go right here. Actually, you're going to get whatever a good intensity is. It doesn't matter. Copy it. Click down, double click, or however many you need. Paste it. Paste it. Now always make sure you guys put these all nice and make sure you put them all nice and level together, because it just makes the mod so much nicer looking and so much more easy to work with whenever everything's there where it goes. Now you're going to put left bed reverse, and then you're going to put right bed reverse. Okay, it doesn't matter what you name them, something that you guys can remember for your I3D mapping. Now your turn lights, this is where it gets interesting. You can't just copy one and paste it. You have to look, because they'll say turn right left, or turn light left, turn light right. So what I'll do is I'll go up here, I'll get my left one, I will copy it, come down here, go to, oh, what'd I do? Hang on guys, figure out what I did here. Okay, I'll take my, up here, I'll take my turn light left, copy, come down here, okay, I'll paste it right here. Now I'm going to make this bed turn left. Bed turn left. Okay. Good grief, guys. I don't know what's going on with me tonight, but I need to learn how to use my computer. Now you're going to get the right one, right here. You're going to copy it, paste it. Now make sure everything's lined up. And you're going to take this one, you're going to do bed turn right. Okay, because it's turn left, turn right. Now, that's all you got to do here. That's it. We've got our, well, okay, hang on, guys. I forgot one. Hang on. Our default light, which is right here. Copy one of those lines, come down here to the bottom, and paste. Now make this circle 1. I don't know. Anything that you can remember. Now we got everything. We got our default light ready. We got our brake lights ready. We got our reverse lights ready. We got our turn lights ready. Now you're going to come down here to I3d Mapping. And you're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Okay. You're going to come right here. You're going to copy one of them. You're going to paste it. Now what I'd like to do is I come in here, delete the wording, put our dash back in it. I like to keep the dashes and everything ready. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come right here, you're going to copy the empty one and you're going to paste them all empty. The reason being is that way you don't get mixed up and you don't delete something you didn't want to delete. So we're going to just put one more here. Now we're going to take all of these. Oops, too far. We're going to put them all back over here where they go. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your GE. Actually, no you're not. You're going to come up here and you're going to name them all. So, bed, turn, let's see. Bed, turn left. Okay, now we're going to come up here, we're going to go back one. Alright, now we're going to come up here, we're going to put bed, turn right. Okay, now we're going to put bed, crap, what did I set that as? Okay, and if you forget what you set it as, guys, don't worry about it. You can always go up here, left brake bed. Okay. So, left brake bed, right brake bed. And I spelled brake wrong on that one, but oh well. I'm going to go up here. Just make sure, you know, don't be scared to double check. Right bed reverse, left bed reverse, bed turn left, bed turn right. Alright. So, right bed reverse, left bed reverse, bed turn left, bed turn, crap, what am I doing? Sorry guys, I don't know what the heck's going on with me tonight. Copy that, put it down here, paste, blah blah blah. Bed turn right, whatever. Alright. Now that we have pretty much all those, we have bed turn left, bed turn, what the frick. Hang on guys. Now we need Guys, I don't know what's going on, man. I need to learn how to mod. Circle 1 is all we need now. Okay, now that I think we got all that figured out, we're going to go in here. We are going to go to running. We're going to start at the top, so whatever's at the top is what we're starting at. Now, you have options. You can open it. You have to open it completely up. You can't just click this or click this and it'll work. You have to go to running, open it again. Now you can either do the inner part static or the exterior part. Me, personally, I will do the inner if it works right. So what you do is you take your index path right here, whatever part of the light you want to use, copy it, take it in here. Now you're going to see right here where this index path was, you're going to paste it. Now that one's done. Now you close running whenever all your running lights are just like that. Okay, you're going to come down here, you're going to close everything up, make it all look neat, close running, open the next one. Ours is reverse, so we're going to open it. Now we're going to go to the inner part light. Okay, you're going to copy your thing. Now this is the left bed reverse, which is right here, guys. Paste it. Now you're going to go in here. You're going to find your right bed reverse, which is this one. You're going to paste it. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to come in here. You're going to close all this. You're going to go to the next one, which is brakes for us. You're going to go to inner part static. You're going to click right here. You're going to click copy this one. Now this is the left brake one, so we're going to go on the left brake bed. So we're going to paste it right here. And then we're going to go to the second one. And we're going to paste it right here. Paste. Alright. Now, once you're done with all your brake lights, you go to your turn lights. Now, you're going to go right here, you're going to click copy. Now this is your left turn. So what you do is you find your left bed turn left right here. You're going to paste that. Okay, now you're going to go over here, you're going to click right here, and you're going to go right here, and you're going to copy this one. Now make sure you get this part right. You want to make sure that they're all the same, or else your blinkers won't work. Now you're going to paste that. Okay, now we're done. Click save, but do not close your XML. Do not close it. Do not X out. Just minimize it. Now, we're done in here. We're done on our XML, but do not close it yet. Do not close your XML. Once you get everything closed up in here, you're going to go to File, Save. And then you're going to File again, and you're going to publish your mod back into the mod folder. You're going to go into your desktop, find your mod folder. Once you find the one it goes in, zip already exists. Do you want to replace it? Click yes. It's going to pack it back up for you guys really quick like. And then once it does that, what we're going to do is then we will deal with closing this, and then we'll go see if they all worked. So let it pack itself real quick. It'll take it a second. The bigger the mod, the longer it takes. Now you're going to X out. Save everything. Now, here's why I say do not close your XML. You go back in, it's going to say this file has been modified by another program. Do you want to reload it? Click no. The reason being is if you reload it, all this coding you just did will go away. Because you saved it and you published it, it reset it. So before you let it do that, you click no and you resave it. Once you resave it after you closed everything else, then you just go over here to your file. Hello, computer. Okay. Now, you're going to go over here, you're going to find your F250 Super Duty XML, you're going to drag it over this file and it'll replace it. Now, once it replaced it, you can simply just take your mod. My computer's acting up and I have no idea why. You can take your mod and you can put it back in your mods folder. Maybe, if it'll let you. Okay, yep, put it back in your mods folder. X out. You're done in there. And then all you gotta do, if my computer would listen, don't know what's going on with it, is you can simply just open up your game. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna attempt to, I gotta get my camera switched back over because right now it's not right. Hang on, guys. Alright, give me 1 second, guys. Display capture. My computer's trying to be a jackwagon. Cook that off. Alright, sorry, guys. You're going to go into career. You're going to find you something, a map that you want to go into. Whatever, it does not matter. Make sure your mod's in there. Mine's somewhere close. Right here. I'm going to start it. Now, if I did everything right, I don't know, I was trying to hurry, but hopefully I did it slow enough for everybody to hear me and everybody to understand what I was trying to say. So now all you have to do is go back into your game, click start, buy your vehicle that you just did it, or whatever you put lights on. This will work on trailers, trucks, vehicles, anything like that. You're going to go in here. Now if you look back here, we have lights now. They're all right there. So you buy it. Now you see if they work. So you got running light now. You got reverse lights. You got brake lights. Okay. Now do you have turn signals? Okay. Now I think it's because the light we use that is solid like that. Actually, I know it is. That's why you normally want to use the LEDs for that, but you get the idea. That's how you code it in. It all works the same. You got your running lights, your brake lights, your turn lights, your reverse lights. Everything works just like it should. See, that's hazards. Now, like I said, I think it's just because of the bulb we used or the light we used. But that is the pretty much the how you do that. That's how you get lighting and how you code it. Easiest way I've found. Um, very simple, very easy, nothing to it at all. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more modding tutorials, let me know. Can't wait for FS22 to come out. Can't wait to start modding FS22. I cannot wait to see what the mods are going to be like. So if you guys enjoyed, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we post more modding tutorial videos. And I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks, guys.